In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Star Wars Outlaws game on your computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, we are going to use Ubisoft Connect for us to access this game app. So go ahead and open or download Ubisoft Connect app. And once you are here, now you can go to library and then to my games or free games and then look for your game. As you can see, our Star Wars Outlaws is here. If I go ahead and click on this, now you can see further details about this game. To get it, go ahead and just click on add to my game. Then this will initiate a download. Now our download is ready. I'll go ahead and click on download. Go ahead and click on continue here, accept and continue. And finally, this free demo has begun downloading. As you can see, we have our download progress here. You can also monitor it from here. You'll have to be patient as this game is somehow big. You can see it is 32 GB at the time of recording this. And once the game has been downloaded, you'll see we have a shortcut for you to start launching or playing it straight from your computer. So that's how you can install Star Wars Outlaws on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.